Hidden beneath mud, rust, and jungle roots, this forgotten Toyota Corolla AE92 hasn't moved for decades. What once was silver metallic beauty is now nothing but rust, dust, and memories. Under the mud, under the rust, the soul of a Toyota Corolla AE92 still waits to be reborn. For the first time in decades, the rusted doors of this forgotten AE92 open to the light. Inside, time has stopped. Dust, decay, and silence have claimed every corner of this AE92. Buried by nature, trapped by time, today this silver metallic AE92 begins its journey back to life. Piece by piece, inch by inch, this forgotten Toyota Corolla AE92 leaves the jungle behind forever.
Easy now, keep her steady. Chains are holding, pull!
After decades of silence, the AE92 finally reaches the place where legends are rebuilt.
Beneath years of dirt and decay, the original silver metallic paint begins to reveal itself once again.
Now the truth is visible. Every scar, every crack, every wound this AE92 survived.
What lies beneath is worse than expected, but every legend deserves one more chance.
The first pieces fall away as this forgotten Toyota Corolla AE92 begins its complete transformation.
Inside this AE92, time left nothing untouched. Every corner carries the weight of forgotten years. Miles of dead wiring, broken circuits, but the heart of this Corolla will beat again. Nothing remains, except raw metal, pure structure, and one final chance for rebirth. Now the real battle begins. Every scar, every crack, every hidden wound must be uncovered.
To save this AE92, every weak piece must be removed, no matter how deep the damage runs.
From raw steel, new life is forged, crafted to match the soul of the original Corolla. With every weld, this forgotten AE92 grows stronger, stronger than the day it left the factory. After years of damage, the AE92 stands straight again, perfectly aligned for its second life. For decades, this engine remained silent. Today its heavy heart is lifted out for rebirth. Layer by layer, grease, rust, and years of neglect are washed away from the AE92's heart. Every bolt removed, every part uncovered, brings this legendary Corolla closer to life. Years of pressure, heat, and time left their marks, but every failure can be rebuilt. The old heart comes apart piece by piece, making room for power, precision, and a new beginning. Every passage, every cylinder, every hidden surface is cleaned to perfection, preparing this AE92 for real power. Piece by piece, precision replaces damage, and the heart of this Corolla starts beating again. Not just restored, upgraded. This AE92 is being built stronger, faster, better than ever. Every gear, every pulse, every boost component brings this legendary Corolla closer to unstoppable power. From rust, from silence, from forgotten metal, the heart of this Toyota Corolla AE92 lives again. With nothing left to hide, the true skeleton of this Toyota Corolla AE92 stands stronger than ever. Every line, every cut, every measurement brings this AE92 closer to perfection. Built by hand, shaped with precision, every new panel honors the soul of the original Corolla. Steel meets steel, strength meets craftsmanship, and this AE92 becomes whole again. No gaps, no weakness, no compromise. The body of this Corolla is ready for its rebirth. Every scar is erased, every surface refined. The AE92 prepares for the color it was born with. A flawless foundation, sealing every repair, protecting the future of this legendary Corolla. Smooth as glass, perfect in every curve, this AE92 is ready for its true identity. The legendary silver metallic returns, not as memory, but as pure perfection. From rust to reflection, the silver metallic soul of this Toyota Corolla AE92 shines brighter than ever.
For the first time in decades, this silver metallic AE92 stands on fresh wheels, ready to move again. Strength below, balance above. Every millimeter of this Corolla is tuned for perfection.
Inside this AE92, every surface, every stitch, every detail feels factory fresh once again.
One spark, one signal, one system at a time, the Corolla comes fully alive.
Every reflection tells the story, and this silver metallic Toyota Corolla AE92 is almost ready for its rebirth.
After decades of silence, one turn of the key, and the heart of this Toyota Corolla AE92 beats again. Every pulse, every roar, every vibration proves this AE92 was born to live again. From jungle ruins to rolling legend, this silver metallic Corolla takes its first breath of freedom. Built from rust, tested by speed, this AE92 proves legends never truly disappear.